Aeroplane, two-twin aeroplane, flying high, circling and twining in the sky, in the sky.
Welcome back, my lovely kids. So, children, today we will be learning about air transport, or we can say we are talking about air transport. So, children, this is an aeroplane. You know very well about an aeroplane. So children, these are windows, wings it has, and it looks like a fish or bird. What is this, children? Can you tell me? I know very well, but I want answer from you. Come on, tell me the answer. Very good. Good job. This is a rocket. This is a rocket. Shoo! Rocket is very fastest. This is a helicopter. Duk, 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 duk. You know the sound of it? Yes, children. So say with me, this is a helicopter. We can see it in the sky. Many times we can see, na children? Yes. So kids, it looks like a balloon. Can you tell me the name of it? Come on, children. Yes. Good job. This is a hot air balloon. You can see, children. And you know, children, a hot air balloon is lighter. It is very, very lighter. Some hot air balloons can hold up to 30 people. 30 लोगों को ये carry कर सकता है. And you can see here small basket. Yes, here the people can stand. And children, the air hot balloon floats with the help of hot air. Hot air से चलता है. Kids, first I will tell you, today we are going to make a hot air balloon. So children, let's see how to make it. So children, you need your medium plain notebook, or if you want to do this activity in this plain sheet, you can use your plain sheet. So for this activity, you need some colorful sheets. You need a glue, pencil or marker. So children, let's start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a hot air balloon. So you can draw by yourself, children, है ना? So मैं जब आपकी drawing देखती तो I always, whenever I see your drawing, I always appreciate you because you draw by yourself. So that is very good for you because आप इस तरह से you can learn how to draw. So children, I'm going to draw first of all. So you have to follow the step. You also have to draw first of all like this, children. Yes, this is a balloon. This is a balloon. You can see, Hana, it looks like a balloon. And 3 standing line. 3 standing line. And this below this balloon you have to draw a square or rectangle you can draw. So children, this is a basket. This is a balloon. This is a basket. Now we can say this is a hot air balloon. So I have drawn, so children, if you want to draw this design like that, so you can draw. If you don't want to draw this design, so you leave like that only. So I'm going to make it colorful. That's why I am drawing. You can see, children. If you want to draw, you can draw this design. If you don't want to draw, you leave it like that. You have to do that one activity with this plain place. So children, after that you have to put some glue in this basket. You can see. So children, I will use the same paper for this basket. So I'm using this paper. So what you have to do, you already put glue here. Now small pieces you have to tear and paste. So I'm using brown paper here, tear and paste. You can use your favorite color. So my dear kids, this is a basket of hot air balloon where the people sit. So tear and paste. This work is finished, children, but you have to do it neatly, children. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to make these parts colorful. So kids, I'm going to show you how to do. I put some glue here in these parts. So, and here I will use different color papers. You can see I'm using here red color. Use the same paper if you want. In this part I'm using red color. You can use your favorite color. Tear and paste. Tear and paste. You can see, children, how I'm doing. I'm doing very neatly. So try to do neat. So children, you have to complete this part with red color or your favorite color. So second, I'm using my yellow color. Tear and paste in this second part. So kids, you have to fill this color paper. This part you have to fill like this. So complete this portion. Now I'm using my next color. Tear and paste. Green color I'm using because I'm making it colorful. If you want to paste same color, you can tear and paste same color, but I am using my different color. You can see, children. Yes. So kids, I have completed this. You have to make it like that, or you can use your own idea, but you have to tear and paste. So children, enjoy this activity. Keep learning. Be safe. Bye bye.